Alright guys, we're here at Hermanos Tires. Look at that. Local here in Wichita. Pretty good. Pretty good. Tire shop. I noticed when they were taking my tire off here on this brand new lift, guys, I already have this thing ripped off right there. Look at all that. It's leaking. So I'm gonna go ahead and call the lift guys and see what's up with that, because it's nothing to do with the lift. This is supposed to be the part that keeps that from happening, and it's not doing its job apparently. The other side is good though. That's what threw me off. This side has the same thing, same exact thing, but this one's not ripped at all. This one's pretty good. It's in good condition. So it's nothing to do with this. I'm pretty sure that was just a defective one on that side. I'm not sure what's going on there. I'm gonna give them a call, truck stuff, see what they say, and see what they do about that, or what's going on. Other than that, we found 2 tires for the front. We just need to find 2 more for the back, and we should be okay. Okay, well, let's see what happens. Alright guys, was this the next day? We're at the detail shop. No, we're not detailing this one. We already did that. But we did finish this Saturn Vue here, or Saturn, I forgot what it was. I think LVV 300. There it is. It's complete. Already done everything. Pulled and everything. Look at that lineup. Ooh, nice lineup as well. But yeah, update on the joint of the truck here. It looks like they are gonna replace our whole control arm on it, due to the fact that it did rip and it wasn't supposed to do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it to the shop on Wednesday, drop it off, pick it up Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then get it back in there. So yeah, they're gonna take care of us on that lift. There's the boy Josh, he's back in the town. But yeah, here's the truck here, and we're about to go ahead and head out and get it situated. Alrighty then. Good morning, guys. We are on our way to drop the truck off so it can get that part fix control arm, where they're going to replace the whole control arm not just a joint. So yay for us, right? They said it was gonna be free of charge, no charge to us, because they just did the lift and that wasn't supposed to happen. I'll go ahead and put a picture here in the description so you guys can see it real quick. But yeah, that pretty much was leaking some grease or something like that. Yeah, grease, that's what they have. And it wasn't supposed to be doing that. So we're gonna go ahead and take it back. They're gonna go ahead and replace it. I will be picking it up the next day because I don't have time. They close at 5. I don't get out of work till 6:30. So yeah, my lunch is at 3, and that's kind of where they're gonna start on it. So let's go ahead and drop it off, and we'll see what happens. All right, guys. So we just dropped it off. I just left the keys with them. Look at this beauty. Oof, such a beautiful truck. Look at this Ford. What a nice Ford. That's loud too. Look at that. Biggest one here, Holmes. And of course, there's my Ram. I gotta take something back, right? Not the scooter today, guys. Not the scooter. All right. Well, we're gonna drop it off. Come back tomorrow. They're gonna start at, they say 3:30. We'll see you tomorrow. All right, guys. Good morning. We're back here. Truck stuff. We're gonna go ahead and pick up the truck. But first, look at this. That thing is super tall. Oof. Never seen a Ford that big before. Sure enough, there it is. A big girl. Yep. She looking pretty there. Let's go ahead and get our keys and move out. Alright, guys, so we got our receipt here. It is $0. That's how much the arm was, but they didn't charge me. So we got our keys now. About to head home. Go ahead and give her that cold start, huh? See what it sounds like. See if I can get it up in here. Oh, there you go. And oh, it's a little quiet. So yep, looks like they got it all fixed up. Everything's back in here. Look at that. Brand new control arm, cuz. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and head out home. And we'll see how it drives now. Alright, guys, so it is the next day. It's a little cloudy here today, but we made it home safely and sound. It drives way better. I used to hear a sound on this side. Now it's gone. I'm pretty sure, I don't know, it was doing a bad sound. But I went ahead and took a look under here already to make sure. And guess what? I don't know what's up with this size, guys, but look at that. It is broken again. I'm not sure what's going on with this side. I'm not sure if it's the leveling kit or what it is, or the truck itself is damaged, but that it is not supposed to be like that. Not sure what it is, so I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it like that. Ain't making no noise. It's not bugging me. We'll go ahead and leave it there till the 500 miles and see what they want to do after that. Looks like we have a new one of those things for your steering column. This one over here is not new, so I'm probably gonna have to go ahead and change that. Get a better feel there. On this side, looks like that control arm is doing great. It's still doing great. Nothing out of the ordinary. I did notice that pin right there is different, adjusted differently than on this side, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong, but you see that? Yeah, that one's way off. And on this side, it's way down. I'm not sure if they do that for alignment or what's going on, but obviously this side is done right and it's not ripping anything. The other side, however, it is messing up our joint. Everything else looks good. No other concerns or anything. Just that side there. I'm pretty sure something's up or wrong. But look at this. They even put us a guard plate for our front differential there, which if you ask me, that is pretty handy. If I hit any rocks or anything, I don't gotta worry about knocking that out or messing it up. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give him a call and let him know what's up. I'm not sure if they even replaced it or not, but that thing is, I should have marked it, huh? Thing is back how it was. Look at that leaking and stuff. So we'll see what we can do about that. Let him know if that has to do anything with it. Right there, that pin, because it is the only difference that I see between the two sides. But yeah, other than that, it looks good. And since we're down here on the floor, I thought I'll show you guys the back as well. Back's doing well. They put a big old brick right there, metal, and that one is the original one, and pretty much them long hinges there to lift the body with the same fork. They use the same forks, but it's pretty cool. I got a pretty tiny exhaust. I noticed that. It is so small. Look at that. It's like 3-inch, probably 3 inches. Yeah, probably 3-inch. No spare tire back here. Nasty differential. We gotta go ahead and sand it and coat it black. It looks like I'm missing some of the tank piece right there. You see that? Ooh, look at that. Nasty. I gotta fix that, get a new one or something. I don't like looking at that, especially now that it was lifted. I can see everything. But yeah, other than that, there's not much to the back as there is to the front. So let's go ahead and see what they say about that.